Hi, I'm Amy with WTI, and you've heard that saying, you are what you eat. Well, isn't that so true? When I eat things that make me a hot mess, I am a hot mess. So I really try hard to eat things that, are healthy for me, things that aren't gonna make me feel sick. And so this Purely Elizabeth pancake mix is such an awesome alternative for me. So while I'm making pancakes for the rest of the family, I can just whip this together and enjoy pancakes with them. It has grainless flours like almond. It also uses a tigernut flour. That's pretty interesting. You can also make waffles out of this too. So the way that I make them is I make them eggless. So I substitute them with mashed banana. Now this is really nice because it adds a little sweetness to the pancakes, and so I don't have to use maple syrup on them. I also like to add in some dairy-free dark chocolate chips. It gives really good directions on exactly, how to make them. I like them a little on the dark side. That wasn't an accident. Okay. It has a wonderful texture to it. They're very filling. I love that they have chia seeds in it already. That's great for your omegas. So you can really eat these, enjoy them, have a happy belly afterwards. And I really think you're gonna love these if you're looking for a grainless pancake mix. But that's just my point of view.